Alright everyone, welcome to Poolie's Barbecue and Grill YouTube channel. My name is Trent Terrell and I'm from Poolie's Barbecue and Grill. Today we're going to talk about what's going on with Poolie's. I'm going to take y'all through what I'm going to be doing today, which is working on the concession trailer, getting it ready. It's a long process of getting it ready. Hope you enjoy and like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, so let me give you a little backstory about this channel and what it's going to be about. Poolie's Barbecue and Grill this channel is going to be about smoking meats, barbecuing, barbecue competitions. We'll talk about cooking, outdoor activities as far as like hunting and fishing. Things of that nature will be in this channel as well. So if that's something that you looking forward to or look for, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And welcome to the channel. So since the last update of Poolie's Barbecue and Grill, we updated it on Facebook. Things have been moving along. They move along kind of slowly, but I mean they're moving along. Thanks to God for that. We did purchase a concession trailer. We received that concession trailer. There have been issues with the concession trailer that I won't discuss at this time, but all in all, things are moving along. Sometimes you just got to roll with the punches, So with that being said, here's the tour of the concession trailer. Alright, here she is, the Wagoneer. She's 8.5 by 32 foot triple axle concession trailer. She's a beast. I ain't gonna lie, she's a beast. So let's start the tour. We come around to the front tongue of the concession trailer. We have a generator box. That generator box is going to house our generator, which is going to power this thing when we're out, serving the good people. Now there's a door right here on the front of it. Now this is my favorite part in the whole trailer, to be honest. This door right here. What's behind this door? It took a lot of thought. It took a lot of thought going into this, of whether I wanted this or whether it will be worth it. But I totally think it's totally worth it. So we got a half bath in the front of the concession trailer. Toilet, and got a sink, because let me tell you, when you're out doing these events and things come along, feelings come on you, and the nearest bathhouse is 100 yards away, that's gonna pay for itself right there. Now if we go on the outside here, I'm gonna just skim down the outside before I go into the inside. We got triple axle, and here's an example of the gold wing door that's on the back. It just gives us options to open up the trailer, whether it's from the sides or whether it's directly in the back of the trailer. As you can see, it's a big trailer. So let's walk inside and see how well we've done things inside. All right, so let's go inside. Shut the door behind me, cut the light on. Here we are. So starting from the front, we have a mini split unit. We have 2 AC units on the trailer. 3-bay sink. Sorry, it's a little cluttered in here. I'm still trying to get things somewhat organized. 3-bay sink, you know, with base cabinets. And the thing about it is, good to have running water, cold and hot water. As we look behind us, we already went ahead and put in a sandwich prep. We got a worktop refrigerator, brand new. Here's the concession window, which we'll be serving people out of. Pretty nice, pretty big concession window. We have a stand-up refrigerator in here, as you can see. We got 3 refrigeration units. 3 refrigeration units in here. So we got plenty of refrigeration. We have a 4-bay steam table. This was very important when thinking out the layout of the trailer on the inside of how things would be. This steam table here was a must. So your food will be coming to you hot and fresh, I'm telling you. And we have a stand-up warming cabinet. This was also a must when thinking out the layout of the trailer. So like I said, our goal is to get food to you hot, fresh, and ready. So when your food comes to you out of this trailer, it's gonna be ready. It's gonna be hot. It's gonna be fresh. We got base cabinets at the bottom down here, just for storage. You know, some things we're gonna store down there. What's above it here is the back of the shadow box that's outside. The shadow box is going to have a 55-inch monitor. I've already ordered the monitor. It came in, and then it came in damaged, so I had to send it back. But they're gonna send me another one. It's gonna have a 55-inch monitor in it that's gonna display our menu. And I'm thinking about even throwing a video in there, just telling a little bit about Poolies and things like that. So it'll have the menu, it'll have, whatever I want the customer to see in regards to what we're serving and what we're about. It'll be displayed on that monitor outside. But I mean, so that's really a portion of the inside part of the trailer. Like I said, I'm still getting things together. Actually, I'm gonna record me getting some things set up. Just take y'all on this journey, because I really do need to get out and record and keep y'all informed of what's going on. So you might saying, what's behind this door here? Well, I say they had an 8-foot porch. So, this is where the magic happens, back here. This is where the magic happens. Right now we have the Myron Mixon GS33 back there. I've been doing some cleaning on it, getting it ready to cook. Actually, I'm gonna fire it up today. This thing, I tell you, this smoker can hold a lot. It can hold a lot of meat, cook a lot of meat. But yeah, so this is the porch area, and like I said, you got 3 doors on each side. The 3 doors open up, so I can open up all 3 at one time, or I can open up, 1 or 2, or however I want to do it. Yeah, so that's the inside of the trailer. Yep, that's the inside of the trailer. I think a lot of my videos are going to be filmed in this trailer or around this trailer. I'm gonna start doing cooking videos and things of that nature, and this gives me a little bit of flexibility when doing those videos. We still have wagon wheel now. I'm gonna pull out wagon wheel in a lot of the videos, in a few of the videos, and let y'all see how wagon wheel cooks. That's still our main cooker, so. And it's probably gonna be our main cooker for a while because wagon wheel can cook. As far as quantity and quality, man, it's amazing. It's an amazing smoker. We did an event back last year around this time, and I want to say we fit 6 boxes, 6 cases of what were the rib tips? 6 cases of rib tips in wagon wheel. I posted a short video clip of that. Yeah, and the people loved it. The people absolutely loved it. So that's the inside of Wagoneer. It's still a work in progress. It's been a work in progress, and really, honestly and truly, the whole thing has been planned since December of last year. So just planning, trying to figure out what size, trying to figure out what all would be needed, and most of all, cost. Cost is a big thing that I'm learning in regards to this business. Everything's expensive. Everything's expensive. Everything's overpriced. Everybody's trying to nickel and dime. Everybody's trying to get their piece of the pie that's not even a pie yet. But hey, that's what you gotta do in order to make your dream come true. And we're not stopping. I had a dream, and this is it unfolding right here in front of my eyes. With that being said, God is good. God is good. Yeah, so let me I'm gonna tap out for a second, and then I'm going to most likely fire up my smoker back here, get it rolling, and see, I might put some meat on it. Because I need to reseason it, but once it gets done reseasoning, I'm probably going to throw some meat on it. So y'all stick around. Y'all hanging out with me today, right? I know. Hanging out with me. So yeah, y'all stick around. We're going to get this thing fired up. And it gives me motivation to get things done too, because I won't get nothing done. I go back in the house and lay in the bed. That's my problem now. But anyways, we're going to get this thing fired up. We're going to get this smoker fired up. And y'all stick around.